Sensory integration, a lot more has been really been researched about the sensory area. As we've gotten better at looking at the brain and reading the brain, we've been able to get more information. One of the really wonderful things I think about the new diagnostic criteria is sensory issues have been now included. It's finally been acknowledged that this is actually a part of autism spectrum disorders, which I think is wonderful. And I think that will help us to get more services for kids on the spectrum. And our occupational therapists will become that much more valuable to us. There are some occupational therapists that do not have training in sensory integration stuff, do not understand sensory, so it's not just because you're an occupational therapist that you also understand sensory issues that kids on the spectrum. So you want to work with people who are trained in that and are understanding what goes on, because the one harm that they have seen, you can actually do some harm if because you're going into the brain with some of the sensory stuff, and you can, one of the side effects is nauseousness and vomiting because of the sensory input or what's going on. So you do need to be careful just in that aspect.